Every one of us wants to feel that we have some control over our lives, over our relationships, over our experiences. The repeated challenges you face with your children are never just about their behavior. It is always about an action, a reaction, and an interaction. There cannot be a war if both armies don't line up at the fighting line. So we're going to redefine behavior. That challenging behavior is no longer bad, horrible behavior. It is a coping mechanism. When you take off the bad behavior glasses and look at it through the lenses of a coping mechanism, you're going to have an entirely different view of what your kids are doing and what you could do about it. You want to ask yourself the question, if this kid could behave differently or in a better way to establish balance, why wouldn't he? Why wouldn't he? He doesn't know how, and he's using these coping mechanisms because they work.
And that was one thing that really helped me, was to just be able to stop and think about how they're thinking and what they're feeling.
Today is the first day of the rest of my life, and this is the way I'm going to treat my daughter from now on. And it feels so good, and I can't wait to go home and just see how she responds.